This is the new Fujifilm X half, and let me be clear, it is a profoundly silly camera. But let's just say that the emphasis is on fun rather than functional. Don't be fooled by the looks. This isn't a Mini X100. It's not some serious photographer's camera. It's a JPEG-only compact with a small sensor. It's not a modern camera in a classic body. It's a compact that tries to recreate some of the experience and inconvenience of shooting with film. It's a digital camera with a film advance lever. There's a film window on the back, which is actually a touchscreen that lets you select one of Fujifilm's film simulations or one of the more impactful filter modes. It's designed to mimic a half-frame film camera, so all your shots are in the vertical format. And if you hit the film advance lever, you can combine two shots side by side on a single photo. To really understand the camera though, you need to swipe down on the screen and engage film camera mode. Here, you decide how long a roll of film you want to use, and at that point you lose live view and the ability to change film mode. And you have to wind the camera on before you can shoot each photo. You can then offload the roll of film to your smartphone and watch them develop. As I say, this isn't a camera taking itself too seriously. The one thing that is serious though is the price, with Fujifilm saying that the X half will cost around $850, which is a lot of money for a compact camera that takes the throwback experience to the point of being, well, kind of slow and unresponsive at times. But on the other hand, it's genuinely small, I think rather pretty, and it's quite enjoyable. Ultimately, the X half is going to answer the question, what price can you put on fun? And it's going to be interesting finding out.